Plan files may only be submitted within a review package at the start of a plan review cycle. If you try to upload any files by clicking on the Electronic Plans and Document page in Citizen Access, you will be directed to the Uploads tab within the Digital Plan Room. You can also navigate to the Uploads tab from the Record Detail page under the Plan Room menu. On the Uploads tab, if there is no open review package for you to upload within, you will see a banner at the top of the screen letting you know that you can upload permit files under the Attachments button. If you click on the Plans button, a message will be shared with you indicating that submission of plans cannot be done mid-plan review cycle, as well as directing you to the plan modification process. If you click on the Attachments button, you will be able to select one or more files to upload. Notice that only non-plan document types are available to select. You may not upload any plan files under these document types. Once you have selected the document type, enter a description and click the Upload button.